In this video, we are going to review Baba Food Processing Limited IPO. Also, we will see latest grey market premium and subscription status for following IPOs for 3rd of November. So please watch the video till end so you will not miss any update. Baba Food Processing Company was incorporated in the year 2015. Company produces wide range of wheat flour products. Company offers different products like wholemeal atta, refined wheat flour, semolina, tandoori atta, gram besan, gram sattu, wheat bran. Company has different brands like Panchakanya, Bhajan and Singham. These are few infrastructure details about this company. These are some of the products of this company. These are the corporate customers like ITC, Parle, Reliance Smart Bazaar. IPO has opened today, that is on 3rd of November. It will get closed by 7th of November. Allotment will done on 10th of November. The initiation of refund is going to happen by 13th of November. The shares will get displayed in your Demat account by 15th of November, and on 16th of November the listing will occur. The company has kept face value of 10 rupees per shares. The price band is set at the price of 72 rupees to 76 rupees. One lot is of 1600 shares. The issue size is 33 crore rupees. Its listing will done on NSE SME. To buy one lot of this IPO, we will require 1,21,600 rupees. Retailers can apply minimum and maximum for one lot only, while HNI players can apply from minimum of 2 lots. If we look at IPO reservation, then maximum portion of this IPO is kept reserved for retail investors, which is 65.53%. For HNI players, 27.59%. The least portion is kept reserved for qualified institutional buyers, which is 1.85, followed by market makers 5.03. So one odd thing in this IPO is that the list portion is kept reserved for qualified institutional buyers. So in this IPO there will be very less presence of qualified institutional buyers. Mostly this IPO is designed for retail investors. This can be catchy thing. If we look at financial information of the company, then the latest information is available for first quarter of this year. From last 3 years, company is performing very well. For the year 2021, company's assets were accounted to 4,583.95 lakh rupees, which has increased to 5,467.80 lakh rupees for the year 2022. In the year 2023, the assets has increased to 6,811.54 lakh rupees. For the first quarter of this year, the assets were 6,980.33 lakh rupees. If we look at the revenue, then for the year 2021, total revenue was 10,769.55 lakh rupees. For the year 2022, it has decreased to 9,756.30 lakh rupees. For the previous year, the revenue has increased by 94.38% and it was accounted to 18,964.17 lakh rupees. In the first quarter of this year, the revenue was 4,138.75 lakh rupees. Company is in profit from last 3 years. For the year 2021, the profit was 198.14 lakh rupees. For the year 2022, it was 201.26 lakh rupees. For the year 2023, profit has increased to 503.44 lakh rupees. And in single quarter of this year, the profit has touched to 192.29 lakh rupees. Company's net worth has increased from 1648.95 lakh rupees to 2499.97 lakh rupees. For the first quarter of this year, the net worth was 2692.36 lakh rupees. Company's reserves and surpluses has been increased from 1168.95 lakh rupees to 2019.97 lakh rupees for the year 2023. For the year 2023, the company's total borrowing was accounted to 3266.54 lakh rupees. So if we look at financial data, then we can observe that as compared to revenue, the profit after tax is less, because of which we can see that total borrowing has been increasing over the period of time. So this might be concerning. Otherwise, in terms of revenue, the company is performing very well over the period of time. If we look at company's key performance indicator, then post PE ratio is 16.14. So we can say that company is still undervalued. The market capitalization is 124.2 crore rupees. Return on equity is 20.14%. Return on capital expenditure is 15.81%. Earning per share is 4.2 rupees, and return on net worth is 20.14%. So return on equity, return on capital expenditure, and return on net worth is slightly less. Look at peer comparison, then Megastar Food Limited is direct competitor for this company, which is offering both earning per share as well as return on net worth higher. Earning per share is 10.08 and return on net worth is 21.88%. If we look at objective of the issue, then funds raised from this IPO will utilized for the investment in wholly owned subsidiary, which will be Panchakanya Foods Private Limited, for setting up of manufacturing unit in Patna, Bihar, for funding purchase of machinery for manufacturing chickpea flour and roasted gram flour in their existing manufacturing unit at Ranchi, for funding working capital requirement of the company, repayment of all or certain portion outstanding, and for general corporate purposes. If we look at latest subscription status, then at the end of day 1, this IPO was fully subscribed. Total subscription was 3.05 times. Qualified institutional buyers have subscribed this IPO by 1.66 times, and they have bid for 1.01 crore rupees. HNI players have subscribed this IPO by 1.30 times, and they have bid for 11.80 crore rupees. Retail investors have subscribed this IPO by 3.82 times and bid for 82.31 lakh rupees. So on day 1, all players have fully subscribed this IPO at their respective end. Total bid occurred for 95.12 crore rupees. If we look at grey market premium, then it is trading at 30 rupees. As compared to yesterday, the grey market premium has decreased by 5 rupees. The estimated listing price will be 106 rupees with 39.47% of listing capital gain. The amount will be around 48,000 rupees. Over the investment of 1,21,000 rupees. In terms of both subscription as well as grey market premium, company is performing very well, as on day 1 only this IPO was fully subscribed. The listing capital gain will be around 39%. So I hope this IPO will perform very well. Only one catchy thing in this IPO was that very less part is kept reserved for qualified institutional buyers. So we can expect only listing capital gain through this IPO. For long-term capital gain, it is not advisable to invest in this company. So we will decide whether to apply for this IPO or not, depending on its last day performance. Now we will see latest grey market premium and current subscription status of remaining IPO one by one. The first one is ESAF Small Finance Bank IPO. On its first day only, this IPO performed very well and it got fully subscribed. Total subscription at the end of day 1 was 1.85 times. Qualified institutional buyers have subscribed this IPO by 0.95 times and they have bid for 85.77 crore rupees. HNI players have subscribed this IPO at their end by 2.58 times and bid for 174.43 crore rupees. Retail investors have subscribed this IPO by 2.12 times and bid for 334.88 crore rupees. Employees have subscribed this IPO by 1.09 times and they have bid for 14.89 crore rupees. Total bid occurred for 609.97 crore rupees. The latest grey market premium is 18 rupees. As compared to yesterday, the grey market premium has decreased by 4 rupees. The estimated listing price will be around 78 rupees with 30% of listing gain, which will be around 4.5, that is 4,500 rupees over the investment of 15,000 rupees. So this IPO is offering decent amount of listing gain. Also, it has performed very well in terms of subscription. Second IPO is Micropro Software Solutions IPO. This IPO also got fully subscribed on first day only. HNI players have subscribed this IPO by 0.35 times and they have bid for 5.12 crore rupees, whereas retail investors have subscribed this IPO by 3.73 times and they have bid for 54.35 crore rupees. So total bid occurred for 59.47 crore rupees at the end of day 1. Latest grey market premium is 30 rupees. The estimated listing price will be around 111 rupees with 37.04% of listing capital gain, which will be around 48,000 rupees over the investment of 1,29,600 rupees. For Star Televenture Limited IPO, today was closing day. This IPO performed very well on its closing day and we have seen bumper subscription in this IPO. It had subscribed by 288.09 times. Qualified institutional buyers have subscribed this IPO by 77 times and bid for 359.14 crore rupees. HNI players have subscribed this IPO by 715.77 times and they have bid for 2,558.88 crore rupees, whereas retail investors have subscribed this IPO by 222.10 times and they have bid for 1,832.33 crore rupees. All the investors have oversubscribed this IPO by their active participation. Total bid was 4,750.34 crore rupees. If you look at day-wise subscription status, then all the investors have broke all the record today. On day 1, total subscription was 8.40 times. On day 2, total subscription was 34.95 times. And on day 3, it has increased to 288.09 times. So the total subscription has increased by around 253 times, which is very huge. Look at grey market premium, then because of huge subscription, it has increased to 39 rupees from 27 rupees. The estimated listing price will be 94 rupees with 70.91% of listing capital gain. The amount will be around 78,000 rupees over the investment of 1,10,000 rupees. So this IPO is also performing very well in both subscription as well as in terms of listing capital gain. For Mamaearth, that is Honasa Consumer Limited IPO, after its closing day, this IPO's grey market premium has increased from 18 rupees to 26 rupees. The estimated listing price will be around 350 rupees with 8.02% of listing capital gain. The amount will be around 1,195 rupees. over the investment of 14,904 rupees for single lot. Even though the grey market premium is getting increased, it should at least touch 20%, then we can say that it has offered good listing capital gain. If we look at grey market premium of Mish Design IPO, then it has not changed from yesterday. Still it is 70 rupees. The estimated listing price will be around 192 rupees with 57.38% of listing capital gain. The amount will be around 70,000 rupees over the investment of 1,22,000 rupees for single lot. In this IPO also, your interest should be on profit booking on listing day only. For Cello World Limited IPO also, there was no change in grey market premium from last 3 days. The grey market premium is 160 rupees. The estimated listing price will be around 808 rupees with 24.69% of listing capital gain. The amount will be around 3,679 rupees over the investment of 14,904 rupees for single lot. This is all for Baba Food Processing India Limited IPO review and latest grey market premium and subscription status for remaining IPOs on 3rd of November. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more such IPO review and IPO update videos. Thank you.